Welcome to my channel Yoga Nena. Today we'll talk about body shaming. Body shaming is in our society since always and will always be there. It is how much importance you give to it in your life. Like in my case, you can see I'm overweight, and there's a reason behind it. The reason is I have thyroid and hormonal issues, and I'm working on it. If a person is overweight, it is not always that the person is eating more oily or something like that. There are multiple reasons to it, and we need to work on it. That is the most important thing. In my case, I'm doing yoga, I'm taking treatment for my thyroid and hormonal issues, and I'm maintaining a good diet, and that makes me happy, and I have accepted the fact that I'm overweight. So that is the most important thing, like acceptance. If you don't accept your weaknesses, then you put yourself in a shell that always hampers your life. Like in my case, I have heard many comments. Uh, a worst comment like, if you come with us to a particular place, people will laugh at us because you are overweight. Come on, yaar. If I am overweight, people will laugh at me. Why will they laugh at people who are with me? It is totally worst thing to hear, but that's okay. I have accepted that fact, and it really doesn't matter to me. And now, for awareness, there are even Bollywood movies made on it, like Ujrat Chaman. It has a guy who is bald, and he's having very less. He is always worried that people are judging him on his looks, that he's not having hairs, and making fun of him. But later on, he accepts that fact, and life becomes easy. He even disrespects his own girl in his life who is overweight on, and he judges her on her weight. And later on, when he accepts that he is not having hairs on his head is not a big deal, that time he realizes that even he has hurted her feelings by judging her on her weight. So there are a lot of movies, like even Bala movie has the same topic, and it is for the awareness and acceptance. um, if you don't accept your weaknesses, it will make your life difficult. See, if your family, your friends, and you yourself accept the way you are, you will make your life easy and happier. So don't let such negative comments affect you. But if there's some health issue, that is the reason behind the reason behind the physical appearance issue, so you need to go to a doctor, get it treated. That is the most important thing, and do it for yourself, not others. Even animals do many things in their life, like they make houses, they feed their children, but we are humans, God made us. We should do something different, we should go beyond that. Like, at least motivate someone, don't do something big, but it inspires someone. Then I think the life becomes worth. So just don't let yourself down with these negative things. Love yourself and just be happy. And if you are happy, only then your family will be happy and your friends will be happy. So don't let these negative people make your ruin your life. Okay, so today we'll do some yoga poses that are for mind relaxation. Okay, so let's do the poses. The first one is Om chanting. Take a deep breath, and when you release your breath, just say Om and feel the vibrations. This will relax your body. Om. Just rub your hands And when they become warm, just give all your positive energy to your body. The second pose is the child pose. Child pose. Just stretch your hands and just kneel down and go down and stretch your hands. The child pose relaxes your body, calms down your brain, reduces your belly fat, improves your digestion system, strengthens your spine. Just hold this position for 30 to 40 seconds and you'll feel that your mind is really relaxed. Come up slowly. Position is Anand Balasana. Just lie down, take your hands up in the air and hold your legs and take them up. Hope today's video added some value to someone's life. Even if one person gets inspired, I'll be the happiest. So if you feel upset, just go for Om chanting, sit in a child position or the second child position, that is Anand Balasan, and relax your body. Don't let negativity affect you. I hope you like today's video. If you like it, just subscribe to my channel Yoga Nena, and please share the video. Thank you.